Hello children, welcome back to English grammar class. In our previous class we started with the concept genders, and we have learned what you mean by genders, how many types of genders, and also we have learned the first two types in detail. Let's recall it briefly. Gender means it's a word originated from the Latin word genus, means a sort, kind or type. So all the naming words, all the nouns are categorized under four groups based on their gender. Yes. How many types of gender? Four types of genders. What are they? Masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Yes. Yes. Firstly, we have started with and we have learned a lot about first two genders, that is masculine and feminine gender. This masculine gender means all the male names come under the category of masculine gender. Yes, all the female names are called as feminine gender. So now let's move on to the next third type of gender, that is common gender. Yes. What do you mean by common gender? So common gender means a noun which is either a male or a female. For example, see the names that can be either a male or a female. For example, when I call, yes, one of the students, come here. So you don't know whether I called a boy student or girl student, right? So I'm pointing to the word student means anybody in this class. So it's not exactly denoting that whether it is a male or female. So this word can be used for both boy student and girl student. So I just mentioned student. So the words which can be used either for a male or for a female are called as common gender. See, as you can see in the picture, baby. Yes, we say, yes, the baby is very cute. And we don't know whether it is a male baby, boy baby or girl baby. Yes, next one is parent. Yes, in our parent teachers meeting, we ask, yes, one of the parents can come or both the parents can come. So parent means it's either father or a mother. Yes, next, as you can see in the next picture, student. Yes, just now we discussed student may be a boy or girl. So in generally, we say common gender is a noun which is either a male or a female. Yes, we have few examples here, some more examples for common gender nouns. See, singer, parent, teacher, dear, cub, pupil, servant, enemy, friend, orphan, infant, or baby. So these are the words when we just call out the names. So it's difficult to identify whether it is a male or female. These nouns are used both for male and female. Says here we have a small exercise where all the common nouns, common gender nouns are underlined. They are singer, friend, dancer, thief, watchman. What kind of noun, gender noun is this? Yes, masculine gender. That's why it's not underlined. Doctor, patient, students, employees. So all these words are some more examples for common gender. Yes, let's move on to the next type of and last type of gender, that is neuter gender. Yes, it's very easy. Neuter gender means it's neither a male nor a female. For example, all the non-living things come under the category of neuter gender. See, as you can see in the picture, the first one, chair. So it's the name of a thing. So we cannot identify a non-living thing like it's a male or female. And next one is table, book. See, many examples. Table, chair, blackboard, whiteboard, right? Fan, light, pencil, paper. So all the non-living things are described or denoted as neuter gender. So neuter gender means Neuter gender denotes neither male nor female. So, generally, all the non-living things come under the category of neuter gender. Yes, we have some examples here which are underlined. So we have identified some words which are neuter genders. It's like chair, bicycle, box, shoes, pencil, books, keys and bag. So totally we have learnt the next two types of genders, that is common gender and neuter gender. Let's solve a small worksheet related to this. Yes, identify the following nouns, whether they are common gender or neuter gender. Yes, first one, bench. What type of gender is this? Very good. It's a non-living thing, so it is neuter gender. Doctor, very good. It's a common gender because when we say doctor, we don't know whether it is a he doctor or she doctor. Yes, next, table is very good. It's a non-living thing, neuter gender. Friend, common gender. Police, see they have not mentioned policeman or woman. So it's just police means it's common gender. Teacher, again a common gender. Painter. Yes, painter usually means we see that all men working as painters, right? But a painter, one who paints, yes, can be a male or female also. So it is a common gender. And lastly, spoon. It is a non-living thing. So it is a neuter gender. So totally, children, today we have learned completely about genders. That is, there are four types of genders as it is given in this flowchart. First one is masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and lastly, neuter gender. Yes, we'll deal with some more exercises with related to these four genders. Yes. Thank you, children.